This is not an ordinary electricity meter. The first thing that catches your eye is its transparent, crystal-like body, through which the entire internal system is visible: brass gears, wires, and a mechanical counter that turns slowly with every kilowatt-hour. But the real magic is on its surface. When light hits it, a rainbow of colors scatters: green, blue, pink, gold, as if someone gave beauty even to the soulless accounting of electricity. On the meter it reads kilowatt-hours, and above that, below that, WAPDA three-phase for wire, the same institution whose name appears on every electricity bill in Pakistani households. The reading shows 024,837 kW. These aren't just numbers. They are the story of months of heat, cold, the noise of fans, the hum of the fridge, and the bulb that burns through the night. Ordinarily, an electricity meter is an ugly box on the wall covered in dust, rusted, something we only look at when the bill arrives, and often with anger. It's a judge that delivers its verdict without mercy. This much electricity was used. This much bill must be paid. We avoid its gaze. But this meter it has refused to hide. Its transparency is a statement. It says, "Look at me for what I am. I am no secret. I am a machine that measures your need." The turning of the gears, the flipping of the numbers, everything is in plain sight. There is no trickery here, no suspicion of a fast meter. What you see is what it is. This kind of transparency is rare today, not just in machines, but in systems as well. The holographic sheen on this meter is actually the diffraction of light passing through the layers of plastic breaks into colors. Science calls it an interference pattern, but to the one looking, it feels as if someone has captured the soul of electricity and sealed it inside glass. Those colors remind us that electricity is not just units. It's the light that falls on a child's book while he prepares for an exam. It's the air that a fan gives when it's 45 degrees Celsius outside. It's the sound from the TV when the whole family sits together to watch a drama. We see electricity only as an expense, but in reality it is the current of life. The name WAPDA brings complaints to many minds: load shedding, bills, frustration. That word has become tied to trouble, but if we look back, WAPDA, Water and Power Development Authority, is the same organization that built dams on Pakistan's rivers, installed power plants, and stretched wires to every corner of this country. This meter is one link in that chain. Three-phase for wire, these are technical terms. In a normal house there is single phase, but factories, workshops, or large houses with heavy load use three-phase. This meter tells us it's installed somewhere where work happens, perhaps a small factory, a flour mill, or a workshop where metal is cut. Where electricity burns not just for comfort, but for livelihood. 24,813. Tomorrow it will be 024,840. Then 024,900. This number never goes back. Like time, it only moves forward. Behind every digit there is someone's effort. Someone did overtime at night. Someone ran the AC because the child had a fever. Someone turned on the motor because the water tank was empty. We often say the meter is running fast. But in truth, we are the ones running fast. Our needs have grown. Once one fan was enough, now we want AC in every room. Once one bulb, now full LED strips. The meter is the same, it has only kept the account. This transparent meter, with its iridescent glow, teaches us one thing: what is visible does not scare us. What is hidden breeds doubt. If everything, every bill, every policy, every decision were as clear as this meter, then perhaps trust would return too. It is not just measuring electricity. It is measuring our habits, our needs, and our progress. And when light falls on it at night and those colors scatter, for a moment it feels as if even the accounting of electricity can be beautiful if we stop seeing it only through the lens of a bill, and instead see it as the light of life. This is not your ordinary electricity meter. A transparent WAPDA three-phase meter with a holographic rainbow finish that reveals every gear, wire, and number inside. The reading shows 024,837 kW, but behind these digits are months of fans running in summer, heaters in winter, late night study lights, and the hum of a fridge that never stops.